Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into a nifty little accessory for Nintendo handheld gamers, the TNJPSEK 3DS USB-C charger cable. Just remember, it's not compatible with the older DS or DS Lite models, so keep that in mind before buying. So, what makes this cable special? First off, it's a Type-C female power charging cable, designed to convert a standard USB-C connection into a 3DS compatible charging solution. That means you can plug it into any USB-C to USB-C cable or even a USB-A to USB-C cable, which makes it incredibly versatile. Whether you want to charge from a wall adapter, your laptop, or a portable power bank, this cable lets you do it without juggling multiple chargers. The cable itself is short and portable, only about 7 inches or 18 centimeters. That might seem tiny, but it's actually perfect for keeping your setup clean and clutter-free. Toss it in a bag, pocket, or travel case, and it won't tangle with your other cables. For on-the-go gamers, that's a real plus. In terms of safety, TNJPSEK has designed this cable for a standard 5 volts input, with support for 1A and 2A chargers. It's optimized for steady, reliable charging without risking the device with higher voltage fast chargers like PD or QC adapters. And durability isn't overlooked either. The cable is built with premium copper wiring for efficient current flow, giving you a dependable daily charging experience. This accessory is particularly handy as a replacement for a lost or damaged charger, or even as an extra cable to keep at work, in a backpack, or on a travel kit. It's lightweight, durable, and versatile, allowing gamers to keep their handheld systems powered wherever they are. Overall, the TNJPSEK 3DS USB-C charger cable is a smart, practical, and compact solution for anyone looking to simplify their charging setup for multiple Nintendo handhelds. It blends modern USB-C convenience with the compatibility of classic handheld devices, making it a useful little tool for gamers everywhere. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next gadget breakdown. See you next time.